In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Barclays Bank account online specifically tailored for international students. Navigating banking in a new country can feel daunting, but don't worry, I'm here to make the process straightforward and easy to follow. First, let's talk about the basic requirements. Yes, international students can indeed open a Barclays Bank account. However, when it comes to specialized student accounts, having lived in the UK for at least 3 years is often required. If you don't meet this criterion, you can certainly open a regular current account. You'll also need to be prepared with a biometric residence permit, visa, or immigration status, as well as proof of identity and your address. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, you'll want to download the Barclays mobile banking app or head over to the Barclays website. Using the app is often recommended, especially if you're applying for a student account, as it tends to provide a more streamlined experience. Once you're in the app or on the website, look for the navigation option that says Products, then move to Current Accounts and continue to Student Banking. Here, you'll find the Student Additions Account section. If you're eligible, go ahead and click on Apply. Next up, you'll need to enter your personal details. This includes your name, date of birth, UK address, nationality, and student status, among other relevant information. Prepare to provide proof of your student status as well, as this is a key part of the process. Following this, it's time to upload the required documents. These will include identification documents and proof of address. Keep in mind that the address documents you provide must be recent and need to meet Barclays standards, so double check that everything is up to date before submitting. Once everything is completed and looks good, you can submit your application. While some applications receive confirmation quickly, there might be occasions when additional verification steps on your address or student status lead to slight delays. Upon approval, you'll be given your new account sorts, code, and number. Your debit card will usually be mailed to you within a few days, so keep an eye out for that. Finally, to manage your new account, you can set up online banking through the app or on the website. It's an easy and efficient way to keep track of your finances as you continue your academic journey in the UK. And there you have it. You now know how to open a Barclays bank account online as an international student. By following these steps, you'll have that bank account up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.